Unveiling the mystery. Assemble the robot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's both simple and intriguing. Assemble the robot. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's demystify this expression together and see how it's used in different contexts. Stay tuned. Assemble the robot might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To assemble means to put together the separate parts of something, often in a specific order, to create a whole. And a robot, well, that's a machine designed to perform tasks, sometimes simple, sometimes complex, often mimicking human actions. When we combine these words, we're talking about putting together the parts of a robot, piece by piece, until it's ready to perform its functions. The phrase, assemble the robot, can pop up in various contexts. Let's explore a few. Educational settings. Teachers might use this phrase in a classroom where students are learning about technology or engineering. It could be a hands-on activity where students literally assemble a robot kit. Manufacturing and tech industries. Professionals in these fields might discuss assembling robots for different purposes, such as manufacturing, healthcare, or even entertainment. Pop culture and entertainment. You might hear this phrase in movies, TV shows, or video games, where characters are tasked with building a robot to save the day or perhaps cause a bit of chaos. Interestingly, assemble the robot can also be used metaphorically. In a team project, for instance, each member might have a unique skill set or part they bring to the table. Together, they assemble the robot, meaning they combine their skills to achieve a common goal. It's a fun way to describe teamwork and collaboration, emphasizing the importance of each individual's contribution to the whole. So, there you have it. Assemble the robot is a phrase rich with meaning, both literal and metaphorical. It's a wonderful example of how English can be both precise and flexible, allowing us to describe complex ideas in just a few words. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase and inspired you to think about the language in new ways. Thank you for watching. And as always, we look forward to helping you explore more fascinating aspects of English in our future videos. Happy learning!